Hello and welcome back to Graff Woodshop. My name is Josh Graff, and today we're going to be talking about 5 woodworking projects that you can sell on Facebook Marketplace to make a little bit of extra money this weekend. The first project that we are going to be looking at is a bench. Really, any sort of bench is going to sell great. Whether you're staging this as an entryway bench or you're making this as like a dining room tables type bench, but benches sell great. They're quick and easy to make. And if you want to check out any of these projects that we're looking at today, I'm going to put a link to each of them down in the description below, because each of these things I'm talking about, I do have a previous build video on for you to go check out. So that's the first thing on our list, benches. Come in lots of different shapes and sizes, but they really do sell great. The second thing on this list that we're going to be looking at today is step stools. I really like this project. I don't know why, but this is like my favorite thing to batch out and to make a whole bunch of over just one weekend. But these step stools sell really good for me. This is an item that's actually small enough that it wouldn't be a big deal to ship out. Wouldn't want to ship a bench, but I would be willing to ship out a step stool. So if you sell online as well, this might be something that you would consider as well. And don't forget, links to all these videos are going to, of course, be down in the description. The price on these is going to vary a lot, but I would like to do at least $50 on these, but usually around the $75 mark is where I keep these listed at. If things are slow for me, lower the price, sell a little bit more. If I'm really busy, raise that price up and get a little bit more profit per item. A lot of that just depends on how much free time I've got right now and the cost of materials, because right now it's spring 2021 and wood prices are still insane from last year's COVID and everything being shut down. But hopefully that all gets back soon. We can get some good lumber prices, and that would definitely help out some profits. So our third project is my bestseller, and it sells very quick for me, but I would not want to ship it. It is blanket ladders. Now, these do sell better during the winter when everybody's thinking about blankets, but they do sell pretty good throughout the year. This isn't something though that I like to make a lot of and keep on hand, just because they are pretty large and they take up a lot more space than a little step stool, but every time I make one, I go ahead and at least make 2. That way I do have an extra one lying around. People like these in all sorts of different colors and paints and stains, distressed or not distressed. So it's a good idea to have a lot of pictures when you're making these listings in Facebook Marketplace. The fourth project I like to sell on Facebook Marketplace that sells pretty good in my area is these dog food bowl stands. These are really nice scrap wood type projects. A lot of times I just will be making the base out of some scrap wood and then the top out of some edge glued pine boards that I'm getting from Lowe's. But really, whatever you have laying around for the top, as long as you got a piece big enough, it's going to work great. But yeah, one of the things about selling these is you do need to make sure that you're buying your bowls cheap enough. I'm personally getting mine at Walmart, paying about $1 a piece, but if you're not careful, you can end up paying $7 or $8 per bowl, and there goes a lot of your profit. So be careful about that. Shop around for bowls, make sure you are getting a good price on them. And item number 5 that sells great on Facebook Marketplace is really any sort of outdoor furniture. I just made these Adirondack chairs that I have listed for $150 each, and it is the right time of year to be listing outdoor furniture. It is currently the very first week of March. These types of things are really what you want to be listing and pushing right now. It's not the time of year to be focusing on ladder blankets. It is the time of year to start looking at the outdoor furniture. So I've got these listed up right now. Hopefully they sell here in the next couple of days. Pretty excited about them. If you do want to see the video of where I built these, the link is in the description down below. If you guys have any questions at all, or if you've got something that is selling great for you in your area, go ahead and leave me a comment in the description down below just to kind of help everybody else out, share some great ideas. But thanks for joining, and I will see everybody next time. Goodbye.